In today's journey, we are going to show you why it's important to be ready for anything while brewing. You can see us here filming the Mosaic IPA 1 gallon kit. Everything's going fine until it's at this point I crapped my metaphorical pants. Because I know full well that about 2 gallons of water are about to be everywhere. It's at this point our safety protocols go into effect and the power is automatically cut and the gas is shut off. And now that we've cleaned the mess, let's go back and take a look at what happened. So what happened? Or, why you shouldn't do this at home? Even though we are using lab-grade equipment, it was still susceptible to two avoidable factors. First, our propane burner was set too high, heating it too extreme on the bottom, which normally wouldn't have been an issue if also a cold breeze hadn't come through the window at the same time. In the future, we will use a different window for ventilation, along with using a more mild temperature to bring the vessel to a boil, like in our root beer episode. Before the second crack appears, there was a chance that I would be able to put this into the trash bucket below. But instead, I take these few precious moments of peace before the chaos arrives. Before the potential impending doom crashes down on my equipment. Luckily, no other equipment besides the beaker was damaged, although the keyboard did take a quick bath. I remember this moment well as my peace was shattered. And the thoughts of, how hot is that water, first come to mind. In the future, I think I might be wearing a lab apron during these brew sessions, just in case we end up with a repeat on the next beaker. We do hope that you got some enjoyment out of watching our beaker be destroyed. It was unfortunate, but at least there was something to be learned from it. Nobody was hurt, almost nothing was damaged, and we are thankful for that. We are also not going to let this deter us from purchasing a new beaker and trying again. Unfortunately, we will have to finish the Mosaic IPA kit next week while using a stainless steel pot instead. But if you don't believe that these work, please check out our root beer brewing episode where we first took this beaker for a spin. And if you want to see us do better and greater experiments using better and greater equipment, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.